Okay, here I'm going to take a video, something I don't do very often, and that is, video very often, and that is how I test string citterns like this and other Irish style bouzouki's that I make. This is my own styling. Everything about it, you see, screams me. But this is a 12 string. It has a reversed Gumby head, my standard Gumby, but reversed. It has a Macassar fingerboard, ebony, with these nice offset, what you probably call neoclassical markers set to a guitar pattern. It's 23-inch scale. It has the kind of bridge I make, which is quite adjustable. The saddle's fully compensated, and right now I'm just setting up the nut, trying to get equidistant spacing on a fingerboard where you gotta have those 6 courses. And this tailpiece is a hitch pin tailpiece. It's still my standard tailpiece, but it has hitch pins, and it has 3 regular screws that hold it on, and then a strap button. And you can see it has this really nice bear claw spruce top, and it's cut down on the sides just like my instruments always are, because it's an arch top and arch back instrument. Induced arch, so the cut down sides look a lot like Rick Turner's guitars that Lindsey Buckingham used to play, or still does, solid bodies. And you can see it's a nice rosewood back. It has a Spanish cedar neck and Grover mini rotomatics for tuning machines. And this is a real nice instrument. It's pretty typical what I do. So in order to make this work using guitar strings, you have to break the ball end. You have to break it off so it'll go on the hitch pin. So the way I do it is I use a square mouth little plier just like this, and I snap those things, and then I put them on there, and then I use this nice tuning machine mover, this roto tuner, that I use. It's rotational. It's marked raise or sharpen and lower or flatten, and you can see how it works, and it saves me a lot of time. Anyway, I love doing this part, and we get it set up perfectly, and then the client will be happy with it. I can take the strings and the fittings off, then I final polish it and buff it until it's shiny enough to read the New York Times in the reflection, in reverse, of course. Leonardo da Vinci could do it. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. And outside I've made a case for it, which I will show some video of, at least how to make cases in general. And this is a balsa wood neck support, which is something I use a lot of because I have lots of balsa wood, as you can see. I got balsa wood pieces all over. I got balsa wood, more balsa wood. I just got so much of it. So anyway, this is just for people who want to know how to do things. And one of the things I do is these pick guards. You can see this one's been lacquered, just needs to be rubbed